What's going on, guys? It's Jacob Ray here, the owner and founder of Close AI. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down my entire 125K a month lead generation agency fulfillment. The entire service that was, enabled me to differentiate myself in the most saturated niche of all time, which is real estate, or at least one of them. And no, I don't run any Facebook ads. So I'm going to be breaking down, that fulfillment that was, able to differentiate myself in the market and bring on clients at ease without having any objections whatsoever. So that being said, I'm gonna share my screen, dive in, and break down everything from A to Z. See you guys. What is going on, guys? It's Jacob Ray here. In this video, I'm gonna break down my 125K a month lead gen agency fulfillment. So down in the description, there is actual proof of me doing 125K a month. Reason I do that is because there's a lot of jokesters out in the space that, claim to be doing numbers, but I've never seen proof, right? So down below, you can watch that video. There's a whole short video of me going over the proof. But anyways, in this video, I hope to inspire you guys or create ideas in your head to start differentiating yourself in your industry, right? So my industry is real estate. It's one of the most saturated niches in all of SMMA, all of lead gen, all the agency space. But I was able to create a new service that differentiated myself in the space. So when people get on the calls with me, they're like, oh, I've never done this before. I want to try it, because new is always better than better, right? We do a lot of outbound prospecting for our clients using SMS and cold calls. Where, a lot of agencies do Facebook ads for their clients, right? You got to remember, new is always better than better, right? Maybe Facebook ads is better fulfillment, which I don't think so, but let's say it is. But the real estate agent's already done that 10 times with the 10 other agencies, and they're like, hey, this didn't work for me, right? So again, they try this and they're like, oh, I've never done this, because, you know what my point is, right? New is better than better, right? So in this video, I'm gonna be breaking down as much as I possibly can, right? And I'm not gonna be able to share everything, because there's a lot of sensitive information. If I were to go dive in and share my screen on everything, which I would love to do, but there's a lot of sensitive information I can't share out there in the public, right? So yeah, hopefully you guys understand. Would love to share everything, but unfortunately I can't. So let's start off by the time we close the client. So we do $1 down and $75 per lead, right? So it's a no-brainer offer, right? People only can get started for $1, right? So as soon as we collect that dollar on the phone, so we do phone sales, we don't even do Zoom calls, we close people over the phone, right? We have our onboarding form, which the client's not even seeing, right? Once they say, yeah, I'm ready to get started, we send the payment link, they complete the dollar, then we go ahead on the call and fill out all the new client's information, like the new client's first name, last name, email, phone number, zip codes, time zone, date they'd like to get started, and additional information. So this is all go high level, of course, as you can tell, right? And as soon as we complete this form, the new client gets texted and emailed from our client success manager with all of the resources they need, and then an automated onboarding process, right? Which is a website right here that they click on, right? And it onboards them completely without talking to anybody, right? Because with this model, we're trying to start selling them leads as fast as we possibly can, right? So we don't want to, prolong the sales process. So as soon as they get this text, this is actually my client, Zach. He is one of top 1% real estate agents in the entire North America. He sold over 1,000 homes, and he's the one setting expectations with the clients and how to convert the leads, not someone, from some 24-year-old kid, right? An actual successful agent. So this has been huge for retention, huge for bringing on clients, and bringing on happy clients who are motivated to, work, because this top agent uses my system. And keep in mind, I didn't even pay him to do this. I just asked him, and he loves the system so much that he was like, yes, I would love to do this, et cetera, right? So he go ahead and I'm not going to play this whole video, right? If you guys want my onboarding video doc on how to set expectations, DM me on Instagram. My Instagram is down below. I can send you the onboarding video doc, right? So you guys have it, right? And then they go through this. It's about a 13-minute video of setting expectations with leads and how to convert, right? Setting expectations on, how to be successful with the program. Then there's a second video of me going over all the resources that they need, like on how to pause lead flow if they ever go on vacation, how to receive lead credits, and then click the community. So people can actually, we have like a school group. It's not school, we actually built it on GHL, where people can ask questions, post wins, et cetera, right? One of the great things, and this is off topic, but one of the great things that, adds to my no-brainer offer is that people can actually pause lead flow. So there's no long-term contract. So if they go on vacation, they could actually pause their account and stop receiving leads, right? And another thing that adds, value to my offer is that if we send bad leads, we'll go ahead and credit those completely for free, right? And they click here. There's a whole video on how to do that. If you guys want that video, just DM me. I can send that to you as well. And then some FAQs, right? And then when they click on this, right? When they click on this video, we set up a trigger link. So we get notified in our Slack channel that, hey, this new client just watched the video, go give them a call. So we have our CSM actually still, introduce themselves and, see if they have any questions and let them know like, hey, I'm your direct line of communication if you have any questions, right? So we introduce ourselves, boom, they're onboarded, right? And they start getting leads on the day that they choose. They want to get started on Monday, they get started on Monday, right? Or on the 24th, etc. Right? So hopefully that makes sense right there. So they complete the onboarding form, they watch the onboarding video, and then we add clients to our Google Sheet. So we track all of our clients just on a Google Sheet, guys. There's so many fancy softwares and so many people overdoing it. Like, guys, you just need GHL and Google spreadsheets, right? So we just put our client's name in here, the status, are they active or paused, right? The sender, which VA is managing that account, how many texts to send per day, which I'll get here in a bit, how many leads do they want per day, and then how many were sent today, right? And as well as time, and then geographical areas, and additional information, right? So like sometimes we have failed payments, so we have 2 failed payments, they should have been deleted because this person paid, etc., right? Once we get that, we then go into setting up the account, right? So I'm not going to show you guys how to create a GHL account. It's super simple, right? So, so we create the Go High Level account, right? We create the account, then we upload the snapshot, right? I'm not going to go in depth on that, right? Because that's like elementary stuff. You can learn how to do that, like I said. So we upload that snapshot, so it's completely automated, right? We just go boom, boom, boom. We're getting clients set up in 15 minutes. Then we go ahead and buy the opt-in data, right? So we have opt-in data. We have a source of people who have opted in on various sites like Facebook and Google Ads. We buy that age data, we throw it into GHL, right? We also throw it into a Google Drive folder to organize that data, and then we upload that data into GHL. So those are the contacts that we're reaching out, the leads that we haven't qualified yet, right? And then we have a VA to blast, SMS to the data, right? And so we're sending out messages and qualifying leads, right? So this is what the text script looks like, right? So we just say, hey, is this Joseph? Yes. You go ahead and pause this video if you want to read the messages. I'm not going to read it out loud, but we're just asking people if they're open to selling, right? They say possibly, then we make sure they're not working with a real estate agent, right? I did have one when purchasing, but currently no active. So this person said, hey, I'm looking to maybe sell, but I'm not working with a real estate agent. And we tell our clients like, hey, we're only qualifying on 2 basic factors, right? We're going to make sure that they're looking to sell in the next 12 months and they're not yet working with a real estate agent, right? And then we do a handoff message. We're not doing appointments, right? That's a whole nother story. I don't recommend doing appointments. That's just going to add so much cost to your agency, so much complexity, and doesn't even add any value when you do appointments. Like it's just the sales cycle is completely backwards when you do appointments. So if you're doing appointments, I'll make another video on why not to do appointments, but because we'll be here for another 30 minutes. But we then do the handoff message and we charge the client. So I'll kind of show you what that looks like. So we charge the client $75 completely automated. So my payment processor is Stripe, right? So as soon as we submit that lead, they get pushed into this workflow right here. And this client, because he buys a lot of leads, we discounted at $60 because he's on a bulk plan. And we just charge them. We put their Stripe customer ID. If you don't know how to find the Stripe customer ID, look it up on YouTube. The amount, 60, right? Make sure you don't put the $sign because it's not going to charge them. Make sure you put 60, right? And then it sends a Slack notification that we billed this client, right? And if you're looking at this fulfillment, like, oh my God, this is like so easy, or, it's so easy, but yet so different because no one's doing, text marketing. And we also do cold calls as well. We cold call this data. So we have a call team that calls this data, right? That's a whole nother video, but this is what I want to go over because this is our main source of fulfillment. And if you're looking at this, like, wow, this is like easy, but no way this can be that good. I wouldn't have a client who has paid me $34,000 since February of 2024. Right, this guy has bought in 567 leads, right? And there's also a couple other payments in there. But anyways, right, so that's kind of proof that, I'll go ahead and refresh this. So, we're not trying to fake anything. Boom, right? That being said, right, that's what the fulfillment looks like. So it's super simple, it gets our clients badass results, and it's very easy, right? My whole thing has been outbound prospecting. I scaled my agency to 125K a month, outbound prospecting. We've never ran a single paid ad to acquire a client, right? We just do DMs, cold calls, and text real estate agents to get clients. So we actually do the same acquisition system and the same fulfillment system for our clients. So it's like, hey, we did this to get you here. We're going to do the same to get homeowners to you, right? And then, we charge a client and then we track KPIs, right? So tracking KPIs is super important in a pay-per-lead model, right? You want to make sure you're profitable every day. So we have, you can see the numbers on leads sold has been completely, it's different every time, but we also have clients who pay us monthly in bulk packages that are not on pay-per-lead, but we have a lot of clients that are also on pay-per-lead. So I'll kind of show you one of my better days, so it kind of fluctuates. But you can see here, so our two main costs are the texting cost and the data costs, right? So we sent 18,000 messages on September 4th. My operations person gets a bonus for every lead that's sent over. They get paid $575 a week pay plus $5 bonus, but she manages the entire business where I don't work anymore on this, right? It's just fully automated. So she gets a $375 a day base pay. Then we have three VAs that get paid $30. So $30 times 3 is $90 a day I'm spending. Then I'm also spending $64 a day on my head VA because he manages all the other VAs, right? So I can the next video I'll break down is team breakdown on how to remove yourself from the business completely. So you can see here on September 4th, I spent $1,200, right? But we sold $75 a lead at $75 a piece, right? And my cost per lead was $16. So I'm generating leads for $16 and selling them for $75. So there's obviously huge margin, right? So you can see here, my revenue is $5,625, right? We also have a Stripe fee because Stripe charges 3% of $168. And my profit that day was $4,231, right? And we started building this since, April 29th, but this is just full transparent numbers. And obviously these numbers are a lot bigger because we have multiple clients who just pay us monthly for leads instead of doing a pay per lead, right? Like I said, but you can see here, these are huge margins, you know what I mean? Sitting at 65, 70, some of these days are worse, but, give or take, right? So it kind of fluctuates depending on like the week and stuff like that. But you can see here, I'm consistently making over $2,500 every single day and just leads sold, not the clients that are paying us monthly, right? So it's super important to track your KPIs every single day and your profit and loss, so you're profitable every day with this model. So this is all of my, give or take, all of my, biggest cost, right, is the team cost and then the data and texting cost, right? So you track all of that, right? So, hopefully you guys got some good value from this. I try to share as much as I possibly can. with my fulfillment, like I said, there's a lot of sensitive information. I can't go fully in depth on showing everything. But if you want a similar system built out like this for your clients so you can start selling this system, down below is my Instagram page. You can just DM me one-on-one. We can, I can build this out and consult you on how to run it, as well as many different things on getting appointments, closing clients, onboarding clients, the whole shebang, how to remove yourself from the business. I can help you in many different ways. So just DM me one-on-one on Instagram. We can hop on a call, see if it's the right fit. But yeah, other than that, guys, hopefully you guys got some value. Also comment down below if there's any other videos you guys want me to make. Just trying to produce as much value out there and help you guys as much as possible. But yeah, we will talk soon. See you guys.